Mr. Howard, you have somebody. You don't really need a representative.
No, go ahead, go.
But you can you're gonna represent yourself.
I represent myself.
Okay. Hear ye. Shh. I gotta get this thing right before I leave, man.
Needs to be wood on wood.
I'm sure the next
Don't do it.
There will not be a next. The executive committee is retiring effective. Hold on, let me read this statement to you. The Honorable Terrence Griffin,
We'll have to change that to the new person.
in appreciation for faithful service, the executive committee.
Got it.
That has a better ring to it. Is that wood?
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, this case right here is, I'm going to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that, Ms. Howard, you can come up here. Tina, I need that area, please.
Hey, Christine, will you tell him to be quiet?
Gentry, you're going to be in charge. You swear him in on your book. Don't matter. Right here, Derrek. Right here. You're down here. You're getting sworn in. We're swearing him in. It's official. Please swear him in.
Hold up your right hand.
Oh,
Say I do.
I do.
You just, I do the
I do what?
Don't matter.
I do what?
That you just,
I did? No.
Since this is a court hearing, this is a new procedure that we're going to have in the Kangaroo Court. So this is basically my interpretation of how we should handle this. So I'm gonna be the judge, the jury, and the executioner. So
What has changed?
Wait a minute.
what?
What has changed?
I was going to say.
I allow other people to talk.
I need due process.
It ain't no damn due process here. All right. So let me say, Mr. Howard,
Yes, sir.
have you been participating in the challenges of Atlanta Postal's Information Services Department?
Yes.
That's a yes or a no answer.
Yes.
Okay. So, were you challenged by anybody in this room or this area in the last 45 days?
Yes.
Who were those people that were challenged, that you challenged? And what was the case? Hold on, real quick. Well, I know you got to go, but real quick. Stay right there. You might want to point to her. And you challenged her what?
A Coke?
A Coke? Are you sure this was a Coke?
It was a Coke, wasn't it?
No.
Dr. Pepper.
Yes.
All right, Dr. Pepper, yeah.
Okay, and what was that challenge for?
Football game.
What football game?
LSU, Alabama.
Okay.
And who won that football game?
Alabama.
Alabama.
Yes.
Was that Coke ever played?
No.
Okay. All right. You made your point.
Thank you.
All right. So now let's go back to the other. So the other board back here was on this. I'm going back to reading my notes. So I see your name. Let me see. There's other people on this board. Is there anybody else in this room that you challenged for that game? No. Sure. You want to make one before I
All right.
Thanks, Anthony.
Any other? Where you see your initials? Because we're in the big.
I'm right here.
Okay. What is that?
DH.
Okay. What did you challenge?
Who's on the other
Who's
side?
on the other side?
TG, NC, CF, BC, and Dr. Pep. I mean, what is all this at the bottom?
Those are just what they wanted.
So
Oh, okay.
Let's go with just the initials. So whose initials are up there?
TG, NC, and AL?
AC.
No.
Is that a C? That's not a C.
It's TGNCCSBC.
Okay, let's go back and qualify this because I want to make sure we're clear. All right.
TG, NC, CF. TG, NC, CF.
And who's that?
BC,
Okay. Who is TG?
Terrence Griffin.
Who is NC?
Nicolette,
Okay. Who's CF?
Chris Ann,
Who's BC?
Brandon, Christmas. Okay.
All right. That's what I want to make sure. Okay, you can be seated. Now, since those have you paid any of those individuals their just due?
No.
Up here.
Up here.
Oh.
Wrong chair.
So was there, okay, so you never paid them. Was there a previous court case where you had a lawyer and you lost the case?
Yes.
What case was that?
Oh, gosh.
I mean, we know you lost a lot since you've been here.
All right. Let's just skip that. Go ahead. Yeah, I agree. Go ahead.
No, it's not agree. We need to get this. We need to get this on deposition because this is basically a deposition.
Goodness.
So you lost the case. Who was your lawyer at that time?
Gentry.
Gentry was one of your lawyers.
Yes.
Which case was that?
No?
He's been your lawyer.
He's been my lawyer before.
Yeah, not this one. Not that one.
So basically you're shooting a big goose egg in this court.
I am.
Okay.
Obviously.
So Gentry was your losing lawyer. Who was your other losing lawyer? Matt.
Matt.
Okay. Were there any fees assessed by any one of your lawyers during that time?
No.
He never feed you? Did he ever feed you?
No. I did? Okay.
This is your deposition.
Go for it. Okay. Yeah.
You agreeing to that?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. What was the fee that he charged you?
I do not remember. What was it, a Coke or $1 or what?
Double whatever I got fined.
You agreed to that?
Double?
You
Whatever you
agreed
got
to that
fined?
egregious
Whatever I got fined. For
fine
being a losing
payment?
lawyer.
Is that in writing, sir?
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm
I see
talking
what
to
you're writing.
your lawyer.
Okay.
It is in writing.
Okay. Go.
So you're saying that whatever, you could plead the fifth. If you want, but it's too late now. You already said it over court, and we documented it. I'm trying to help you out.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, but okay, we're to that point. So, do you have any documentation on that, Mr. Matt? Oh, you do? Well, let me read this, please. All right. So this says, for services rendered, the defendant is, in the case of C. Fisher and N. Cobb, agree to pay 2x the fine afforded to the defense attorney. 2 times 21 fun packs, Skittles, size of Skittles, which has been reduced by the executive committee by 50%. Do you recall that at all?
Is that my signature? That's not my signature.
That's my signature.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Is that your bill? You tell me.
I'll accept that.
You'll accept that.
Yeah.
All right. Technology is wonderful.
I know it.
Okay,
I'll
so
take copies of my receipts.
we have had numerous instances. So, okay, that's all the evidence I think we need to present. Do you have to say anything in your defense before judgment is declared?
No defense. I rest on the mercy of the court.
Okay. All right. So, since the executive committee has already pre-warned me about this case, and there was no bias intended, and they were looking out for your best interest,
Okay.
at least we think.
At least we think. No, let's be sure. We in court now.
Well, the executive committee is the law.
But we don't want to think about it. We want to know for sure.
Well, it is.
Okay.
All right, for sure.
Go for it. Oh.
You have had several charges brought against you, and you failed to pay your allotted challenges. Is there anything you need to say why you have failed to pay?
No.
So why have you failed to pay?
No reason.
So you just gonna?
I throw myself from the mercy of the
No,
court.
well, not yet. So you just basically neglected,
I neglected to pay.
and you just egregiously
I wouldn't say
neglect.
egregiously.
But you are aware of the challenge rule, are you not?
Yes.
What is the challenge rule?
You pay or you have to pay double. You don't pay on time.
So you failed to pay 1, 2, 3, 4 Cokes over there, 11 fun packs of Skittles,
Okay.
or it's really 10 and a half, because it was 21 divided by half, 50%. So it's 10 and a half. So what should, if it was me, and I was asking the court for mercy before he judges you what would you ask for?
A little more time.
A little more time. How long? When did LSU get beat down by Alabama? Do we have a date on? Does anybody have a date on that?
That was in January, I believe.
January. What month is this? What month is this?
We all know what month it is.
You tell me. 'Cause I want to make sure it goes on the court case.
I'm throwing myself on the mercy of the court.
Not yet. Not yet. Not
Okay,
yet.
okay.
So what month are we in?
March.
We're in March. So we have had at least 45, 50 days since the Alabama shellacking of LSU.
Oh, goodness.
Did LSU score any points in that game?
No.
So that was a shellacking.
They make it past the 50-yard line.
Once. They got 3 yards. I think they got to the 53 and went back from there. So you, in your infinite wisdom, believed in the yellow and purple.
Yes.
Got that on. You got that on. Thank you. Appreciate that. Failed to pay your just due. And you said you need more time.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you 29 minutes to make restitution. You got 29 minutes.
I need about
If
two.
you-
How many coats?
That's not my problem. That's your problem. And if it's not done by that time, the court will levy a fine.
Okay.
And the court's fine, since the court is going to be resolved here in the next 20 days, 29 days, he has no mercy.
Okay.
I'm telling you now,
Something's burning, y'all.
Oh, that's brandy.
Oh, okay.
there's going to be no mercy at all.
No mercy.
So you got 28 minutes. Time is ticking.
All right.
We're going to be in recess for the next 29 minutes. And this time, Thea and Mr. Gill.
He's on the phone.
Okay, because I need to talk to my lawyer. Jury, excuse you, you got 27 minutes. Is that cookies?
I smell something's burning.
Brandon's got food.
Everybody wants Brandon's
We have to ban Brandon from eating back here.
Where'd he go? To JB, BJ's? Videotape gets this. All right, so now that you tried to make restitution.
Succeeded.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, here's the question. I got 2 questions for you.
Okay.
At least one is gonna count.
All right.
When you challenge somebody, what is the payment if you lose?
Whatever you bet it. I mean, a Coke.
Okay, that's a flavor.
Okay.
So it is not a bet; it's a challenge.
That's a challenge.
Okay. So on that challenge, what is the challenge? What is the payment if you lose the challenge? The standard payment. No other institutions involved. No other side bets. Whatever side challenges. What is the challenge? What's the standard challenge?
A Coke bet.
Okay, it's a Coke. But what else? What's the dimensions of the Coke? What's the characteristics of the Coke?
Cold.
Okay. So let's go. Let's start with that.
Cold or cold.
I want to get an impartial witness.
Oh,
is that cold?
No.
That is not cold. Okay.
Oh, my
that was not cold. Is this cold?
Full chili.
That is cold. Okay. Dr. Pepper, is this cold?
No.
That is not cold. Okay. Is this cold?
Yes.
That is cold. Okay. So we're shooting 50%. So these are considered cold. These are considered not cold. Okay. What else is the other attributes of the challenge? The challenge drink. Besides it being a Coke or a wet beverage or whatever. There's one more thing that's critical to the whole thing.
Must be 20 ounce.
Must be 20 ounces.
Oh,
As
God.
a minimum, unless otherwise specified.
Oh, God.
No more, no less.
Where did he get it?
Excuse me?
That's where he got those.
Okay, so now let's say this: where were these drinks purchased?
Out of the machine.
Out of the machine. So you're telling me the owner of 50% owner of the machine puts hot drinks in there?
No.
Okay, so now I go back to my previous question: where did you get these drinks from?
These were in the machine.
Okay,
They were out of Dr. Pepper, so I got it out of the refrigerator in there.
you got a hot soda out of the refrigerator.
Well, I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it get cold. What you want me to do?
But
The machine was out.
but it was hot,
It was hot.
and it was in the refrigerator.
I guess it was just put in the refrigerator.
It
Yeah.
was just put there. Okay. What about this one?
Same thing.
It was hot.
Just put in the refrigerator.
Okay. So so you got these out of the machine?
Those are the machines.
That cost you some money.
Right.
Okay. Where'd you get these from?
Out of the refrigerator in the back right there. Well, off the floor.
Okay. So who owns these Cokes? This Coke and this Dr. Pepper. Who do these belong to?
Those are double hot.
What do you mean? ABC? What?
Who
Double
paid for this Coca-Cola?
I don't get your question. What is it?
I thought it was crystal clear.
No, I mean.
Did you pay? Let me ask the question. Let me back it
Okay,
up.
okay.
Did you pay for this Coca-Cola?
No.
Okay.
I have not.
So that means that's stolen property. I want to get that down.
Wait.
Next.
The machine is out.
Did you pay for this Dr. Pepper?
No, sir, I did not.
Okay, so that is stolen property.
The machine is out.
So if you did not steal this, if you did not pay for these drinks, and you're presenting them as your own, what is that called?
Paying your debt to society.
No, that is called theft by taking.
Oh, my goodness.
That will be another court.
Oh, no,
Another court
wait.
case for another day. We have it on video. We will do that.
Oh, my
So,
goodness.
now, since you have proven that you have the inability to conduct yourself as a citizen of the IT department for the next 93 days, make a challenge or mention the word LSU ever again for 93 days.
While he's at APC.
While you can say it at home, but once you walk in either one, this door, main office, if you're on APCU property, you cannot say the word LSU. If
But I'm wearing.
it goes
I
in
can
the
wear
paper,
my
right?
stuff?
You can wear it,
Okay.
but you can't say it
And
ever.
the picture on the desk and all
you
that.
can't write it, and you can't say it.
All right.
Can he say tigers or anything?
Nope, anything related to the yellow and purple. Okay? 93 days. Now, on March 30th, we will have one more case before the executive committee retires. It will be a case of theft by taking. We'll talk about that then.
Theft by taking.
Let's go back.
Oh, gosh.
Let's go back to this thing. This belongs to who?
What?
Who does this Coca-Cola belong to?
Out of the refrigerator.
Who does it belong to? Does it belong to Derrek Howard?
It belongs to the person.
Does it belong to Derrek Howard?
No, sir.
Okay, so Derrek Howard was going to take something that does not belong to him and present it to somebody that it doesn't belong to.
In court.
Out.
You're not listening. The machine has nothing to do with this.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So, first of all, you broke the number one rule because this. How many ounces is this? 12. And what is the standard Coke challenge?
16.
What is the standard Coke challenge?
20?
20 ounces.
Oh, my.
Okay? We don't have 16 ounces here. We go 20 ounces. Why? We do this for a purpose. Because it wants to be painful. You have to go to the store and you have to present a code, plastic, 20 ounce, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Mountain Dew, etc. Now, let's go back to this Coca-Cola here.
Uh-huh.
This Coca-Cola was found. That's gonna be what you said. You picked this up out of the refrigerator. Now, I don't know about you, but that refrigerator back there is always cold.
Yeah, it is.
So why is this? Feel that?
Not cold.
Not cold. This is
Cold.
cold. Okay. Do you tell the difference?
Cold, not so cold.
Not so cold, not cold at all.
Okay.
This is what they call room temperature
All right.
or storage room temperature. Okay?
Oh,
So, this does not belong to you. This is going in evidence. We're going to put this in a plastic bag. Then you got a plastic bag to put
wait
this
a
in
minute.
evidence?
This is,
Wait, I have
Also-
a plastic bag. Hang on.
Okay. Also, this Dr. Pepper.
yes,
Where did you find this one at?
in the back.
In the back. Did you pay for this? So that would that be considered theft? Do you tell your kids if you take something that does not belong to you, what is that?
Yeah,
Okay.
but the machine is
No,
out.
Oh, no, wait a minute now.
The
Let's
Coke
just think
machine
of-
is out.
Doesn't matter.
If he's willing to accept that his kids would give him that as an excuse, then it is a viable excuse.
Are you willing to do that?
What?
To say if your kids go in your room and find $20 on your dresser, what would you say to them?
That's not there.
But the ATM machine is out.
Yes. But the ATM machine was out. So what are you going to do? What would be your punishment for your kids?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, you got 29 days to think about it. Because on March 30th, you will be coming to court. You better find a good attorney. I would go with Derrek. So.
He's videotaping.
Don't worry, we can find somebody else. There's plenty of people around here that can hold the camera.
All right.
Okay.
Am I done?
Lord bless you, man. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay.
We're putting it, Karen says saving it for evidence.
And then you owe.
Your legal fees are 21 of these.
Skittles?
Legal.
How much is that bag?
They were on sale before Valentine's Day, so you better hurry.
No, they probably. Well, yeah, they probably go up. You wait till Tuesday.
Because
Might be on sale.
I got them for like $2.50. Nicolette ended up paying $3.
Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Coke, Mountain Dew, bag.
Then you owe a Sprite. Don't you? Doesn't you owe a Coke? You
He
owe a
owes a
Coke
Coke to the pink
pig. 20-ounce Coke to the pink pig.
All these are 20 ounce?
Yes. All our challenges are 20 ounce.
Do we know what the IP address is? Is that
And then
correct?
you owe 21 miniature
10,
bags.
1,
I don't know
3,
what
1.
size.
And let's see what we got. It's on there, D. I got it.
There you go.
I'm going to copy this too,
You
okay?
get- If you do not pay what you owe, what you wrote in that book, because what did you write in that book, Mr. Howard?
Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Skittles,
There's some more in there.
Mountain Dew,
Uh-huh.
Coke.
Uh-huh. And what else?
That's it.
Nope.
Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew, Coke.
You owe 2 Cokes.
2 Cokes. And a bag of fun-sized Skittles.
21 fun size Skittles. If that is not paid, then the executive committee will go into deliberation and we will have some more fine sanctioned. Do you understand these charges? Have they been read to you?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Derrek, give him a copy of the movie.
I don't need no movie.